Conversations is an open space for AN members. You can start a conversation about anything related to the visual arts. Maybe you want feedback on your work and practice, need advice on professional development, or maybe there's a topic that you think this community of supportive, creative people should be discussing. To start a conversation, log in and go to Community, Conversations. Click the Start a Conversation button. What do you want to discuss? Fill in the title and conversation fields. Tags can help others find your conversation. Use the toolbox to format your conversation. Use the link tool to add hyperlinks. You can flip between visual and text tabs if you know how to format copy using HTML coding or to add code from other sites such as YouTube or Vimeo. The featured image will appear on the Conversations menu page. You can select an image you've already uploaded to your library or choose to upload a new one. If you upload a new image, remember to fill in caption details. And if it's an image of another artist's work, be sure to fully credit them. Add more images and other media to your conversation using the Add Media button. The Gallery feature allows you to embed a slideshow of images. Edit or delete your gallery using the toolbox buttons. To change its position, you can drag your gallery to anywhere in the text. Save your conversation. You can save as draft and publish later, or click Create to make your conversation live. Other AN members can join your conversation. They'll see it on the Conversations and Network pages. You can also share it with them on social media to ensure it's widely read. You'll receive alerts to your AN messages when others make a suggestion. And don't forget to join in other people's conversations too. You can also access your conversations, blogs, reviews and more under the My Stuff tab. To post or comment on conversations, you'll need a membership of AN, part of a package of member tools and benefits.